In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on Google Docs. To get started, place your cursor exactly where you want the drawing to appear in your document. If you think you'll need a little extra room, press enter a couple of times to create space. This makes it easier to see your work once it's inserted. Next, open the drawing tool. Go to the top menu, click insert, then choose drawing and new. A separate drawing canvas will pop up. Think of this as a mini editor inside Google Docs where you can add lines, shapes, text, and images. The toolbar along the top of the canvas is where you'll find everything you need. If you want to add lines, click the line icon. You can choose a straight line, an arrow, a curve, or scribble for freehand drawing. Click and drag to draw, or for scribble, just sketch naturally with your mouse or trackpad. After drawing a line, you can customize it using the toolbar, change the color, adjust the thickness, switch between dashed or solid styles, and add arrowheads. A quick tip: holding shift while drawing a straight line helps keep it perfectly horizontal or vertical. For shapes, click the shape icon. You'll see options for basic shapes like circles and squares, arrows, callouts such as speech bubbles, and symbols or equation shapes. Click a shape, then click and drag on the canvas to place it. You can set a fill color for the inside of the shape, choose a border color, and adjust the border thickness and style. Drag the handles to resize and use the small rotation handle to rotate if needed. To add text, click the text box icon, then drag to create a text area. Type your content and use the toolbar to change the font size and color. You can also add borders around the text box for emphasis. Align and format the text the same way you would in a normal document. If you want to include an image, click the image icon to upload or select one. Once it's placed on the canvas, you can draw lines or add shapes on top of it to annotate or highlight areas. When you're happy with your drawing, click Save and Close. The drawing will be inserted into your document right where you placed your cursor earlier. If you need to edit it later, click the drawing in your document and select Edit. The drawing tool will reopen so you can make changes, then click Save and Close again. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.